welcome or welcome back to my channel you all. So today is 19th of April and time right now is 6:34. So how's your studies going? It's just literally 14 days from now and I have been lacking, like literally this whole week I have not done enough. Like I just feel I haven't done anything because this week started off very nicely. I was like very much into, okay, first let me tell you, I gave second mock test, second full syllabus mock test, which was AIATS on 14th of April, and that went fine. Like I was expecting that much from it because the last one was obviously bad, so I was like, you know, if I just touch 600 I'm good, I don't need anything else. But you girl made 3 bubble mistake in the physics, so because of that the marks are not 600 but it was nearly that. So I'm gonna like improve that. I'm not gonna make those bubble mistake. And the fact that I made that mistake, right, and I was already feeling guilty कि भाई ऐसे कौन करता है, like OMR mistake कौन करता है, फालतू के marks कटा रही है. And that invigilator, he picked up the sheet and he was looking at it and I was like, I can sense the mistake here. And he was literally, the whole class was waiting कि सबका OMR ले लो, मैं बाहर जाने दो. And he's like telling me that why you made the mistake, you will be you are so stupid. And I'm like, I know that, but just please go away. Like, and everybody, I was sitting at the back and everybody was like tilting their head and looking at me like, who is this stupid person? That was so embarrassing. But anyways, leave that part. Okay, what I was saying, so I got around I think 595. I haven't received the scores yet, बहुत late आता है AITS का result, but answer की के हिसाब से उतना ही उसके आसपास आ रहा है. And what else? Okay, after that I had a lot of exams, like full syllabus, but guess what, who was not able to give that exam? I had exam on 16th, FTS 8, O Code B and CST 9. I couldn't give any of those. I was sick. Yeah, I was pretty sick and I couldn't get to the coaching and give any of the exams, so it didn't happen. After that, the next day also, but on Thursday, which was 18th, I had 2 exams once again, FTS 9 and CST 10. Yeah, I'm just looking at the like timetable kind of thing which was kept over there. Anyways, I just gave FTS 9 because उसमें भी सर ने बोला था कि it's very important, you shouldn't miss it, it's based on previous year questions and it's very important, like you should give it. So that's the reason I just went and yeah, I gave the test and the test went okay. Like after giving the test I was like कि मुझे कुछ तो याद है, but जब मैं test देके बाहर निकली and I asked other people, they're like the test was super easy and I was like yeah, it was easy. So because of that, I mean the marks are okay, but considering the paper was super easy, that was not good. And after coming back also, I just didn't go to study. Like I was into the mood that, you know, girl, you need to study, you're not getting enough marks or you are not have enough, you know, information in your mind and all that stuff. But I was so overwhelmed with the amount of tasks that I have to do, I just couldn't get myself to do anything. And मैं कब से SWOT एनालिसिस लेकर के बैठी हुई हूँ, उसमें भाई इतने कलर्स, ये इस कलर का हो जाएगा, इस कलर का हो जाएगा, मेरा दिमाग खराब करे जा रहा है. मैं उसको कंप्लीट ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, अभी तक नहीं हुई हूँ. मैं डेली उसको लिखती हूँ टू डू लिस्ट में, बट वो हो ही नहीं रहा है मेरे से. एंड उसके चक्कर में फिर मैं नीचे वाले कोई टास्क भी नहीं कर रही हूँ, तो इट्स जस्ट बीइंग अ मेस एंड आई हेट इट. आई मीन भाई 15 दिन पहले कौन क्या ही बोलूँ, बट नाउ आई गैदर्ड माई सेल्फ. और अभी मैंने अपनी डेस्क क्लीन करी है एंड आई हैव टेकन अ शावर, आई वॉश माई हेयर्स. 1 हफ्ते से बाल भी नहीं धोए थे मैंने. आई वाज जस्ट बीइंग इन अ मेस, आई एम टेलिंग यू. अभी जाकर के मैं नहा के आई हूँ और 6:30 हो रहे हैं, तो तुम सोच सकते हो वाज इन अ मेस. तो अभी मैंने डिसाइड करा है कि I'm gonna स्टडी. कल CST है एक 2 से 5:20 तक, CST 11 वो देने जाना ही पड़ेगा. I can't miss any more test because that's just not good. तो तब तक मेरे को कुछ चैप्टर्स देखती हूँ, मैं भी टू डू लिस्ट बनाऊंगी, फिर वो चैप्टर्स कंप्लीट करके जाऊंगी. एक तो ये और होता है ना कि आप लाइक देयर सो मच टू डू कि ये चैप्टर रिवाइज कर लूँ, मुझे ये भी भूल रही हूँ. लाइक आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग टू लाइक फोमो होता है ना कि ये भी याद नहीं, ये भी याद नहीं, ये भी कुछ भी याद नहीं है, वो वाला फील हो रहा है. तो फिर मेरे को जब मैं टू लिस्ट बनाने बैठती हूँ, आई फील जस्ट टू मच लाइक व्हाट टू राइट इन द टू लिस्ट. आई जस्ट डोंट नो एनीथिंग. सो दैट इज द थिंग व्हिच इज हैपनिंग, बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेक इट वन एट अ टाइम. ठीक दैट. सो लेट्स गेट अलोंग विद मी एंड ट्राई टू गेट माई लाइफ टुगेदर. या let's just I'm gonna comb my hairs. I haven't even combed my hairs and I was like, let me just talk to the camera because I need to shoot. If I will shoot, I think I'll be more productive. And one of you guys commented on the last video like how to beat procrastination. This is how you do it. Just clean the space, just clean yourself and then watch a study vlog. If that's something that motivates you, I'm watching it right now. And after that, make a to-do list and get your head straight into it. That's what I'll be doing. I'm just gonna comb my hairs and I'll be back, okay? And then I made the to-do list and once again I wrote down quite a lot of stuff in the to-do list which I couldn't complete at all. coffee and where is my to-do list? Gotta complete it. I know मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा भर दिया but जल्दी से इसको complete करना start करते हैं. And I'm gonna start with organic right now. So I'm gonna do biomolecules because last time में मैंने biomolecules के vitamins वाले questions थोड़े गलत कर दिए थे. So I was like let's just revise this. And ये वाला बायोमोलिक्यूल के साथ साथ I'm gonna revise bio वाला biomolecules as well. And ये मैं अपने short note से revise कर रही हूँ. And after that I did revise the biomolecules from biology. So now I'm finally done with the biomolecules from both the subject chemistry and biology. And after that I started with organic. So if you know me, you know that my organic was pretty weak. So after I got to know that I don't know organic, I actually watched this organic heuristic series by Avinash Sharma, and it was really good actually. After that I got a little confidence in organic and I'm getting mostly questions right in the test. So yeah, but we need to revise it again and again. So that's what I was doing. I didn't complete whole organic the last night, so again the next day I woke up and started to revise organic. I was doing this carbonyl compounds chapter. And before the test I only got to complete these things, and look at the to-do list. It was so huge but I couldn't complete it at all. I don't know why the heck I write this much things in my to-do list. So here is the result of CST. So you can see biology and zoology is very bad in this test. So after CST, the next day I guess I had AIATS, and today is 21st of April and time right now is 3:10. I just got back from the AIATS exam and now I'm going to start studying once again. And I am planning on to complete biology now, and I'm starting with class 11th biology. So I wrote down all the chapters and I'm gonna complete them one by one and then tick it off from my to-do list. So let's start with living world. Now I'm doing second chapter of biology, which is biological classification. And then cutting them off from the to-do list. Now it's time for plant kingdom. Now I'm even done with this one, and I've also like wrote down these things in the to-do list which I'm forgetting, or some of the examples and stuff like that. I'm doing it for every chapter and then paste it in front of my study table so that I can like review it again and again. And after that I started with cell. And now it's time for cell cycle revision. Now let's cut this off from the to-do list. After that I started with human physiology, and I'm starting with breathing and exchange of gases. So guys, this is gonna be my last video before NEET 2024. I don't have much time to edit or do anything else, so I'm not gonna post anything. So I'm just wishing you all the best, and I just hope that your exam goes well, and same I'm wishing for myself as well. And talking about like mock test scores, so I'm getting around 550s only. Like it's just not going above 600, which is kind of frustrating, but at the same time we have to just keep going because like we can't give up in between, right? So whatever, a week is left almost, so let's just give our best for this week as well, and let's hope for best and work hard from our end. And yeah, that's about it. And do let me know how much you are scoring and how you are feeling now that only 1 week is left. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you after NEET 2024. This is Hasina Yadav signing off.